Pathfinder is a camera-based software that helps leading manufacturers reduce worker mistakes by 85% and takt time by 25%. Here you see a display mounted on a workstation where the operator can see audio and visual alerts if they make a mistake. On the left side of the screen, you see the current step of the activity highlighted in bold. The system simultaneously measures the amount of time spent on each individual step, which is logged onto a dashboard. On the top right corner, you'll see any mistakes that the operator makes in real time. This will let him fix the mistakes on the spot. Anybody can set up our system in a matter of hours instead of weeks or months. Pathfinder includes advanced privacy-preserving features, and we natively support signal towers, barcode scanners, and other IoT devices. Our software also provides a dashboard of continuous time studies, accessed through a dedicated web portal and through our mobile app, which you see here. These analytics enable industrial engineers to identify non-value-added work and improve takt time. Our system optionally allows recording live work, which gets cataloged automatically. This trace functionality can be used by industrial and quality engineers to perform root cause analysis. We have social features built on top of the video and analytics capabilities to accelerate collaboration between teams of engineers. Our mobile app allows a plant manager to keep track of every workstation on his or her line from wherever they are. We have an advanced manufacturing center in Seattle and an office in Texas. Please reach out to try our platforms on your lines today.